the most delicious crispy chicken sandwiches, ultra crunchy and juicy.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken sandwiches. These are going to be so crispy on the outside and so juicy inside. Stay with me to the end and I'll show you how I do it. Let's get started.
To make 8 chicken sandwiches, I have 4 large chicken breasts. Cut them in half lengthwise. Place the chicken pieces between 2 sheets of plastic and with the help of meat mallet, pound them to ½ inch thickness. This would help them to cook evenly. Now it's time to make our marinade. In a bowl, combine 1½ cups of low-fat buttermilk and then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Now mix this marinade very well. Transfer chicken pieces to our marinade and make sure all pieces are fully submerged into the marinade. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for minimum 2 hours. This helps the chicken pieces become tender and flavorful. Next, we are making our batter. In a container, add 3 tablespoons of flour. If you want, you can use GF flour for gluten-free results. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Mix them well. Now it's time to take the chicken pieces out of the fridge and dip them into this mixture. Make sure to press the mixture onto the chicken pieces using your hands. Make sure all the chicken pieces are very well coated with the flour mixture. Once all the chicken pieces are very well coated and ready, it's time to fry them. In a large skillet, heat up a generous amount of your favorite oil, I would say about 1 inch deep, and let the oil reach about 350 degrees. Before putting chicken pieces into hot oil, dip them one more time into flour mixture. This is the trick to make sure that all the pieces become very crispy and crunchy. Fry chicken pieces about 3 to 4 minutes maximum on each side. Make sure not overcrowd your skillet. This way, oil temperature stays about 330 or 350 degrees and we don't lose heat. When the chicken pieces are golden brown, transfer the pieces to a wire rack and let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. This way, the chicken pieces stay crunchy and crispy. Repeat this process until all your pieces are cooked and they are golden brown and ready to be served.
This is the last 2 pieces. I think they are ready. And after that I let them cool off a little bit and start the assembly of my sandwiches. Okay, the cooking is done. Now I'm gonna assemble a sandwich for myself. Okay, I made some the sauce is like basically ketchup and mayonnaise. gonna put on both sides of my buns. I toasted my buns. I didn't toast them with butter or anything. I just put it in a toaster. Yeah, it's a little bit more healthier this way. So I'll do this.
Add lettuce, tomato, a piece of chicken, and some delicious pickles.
Oh my god. By the way, I did some crispy fries in the oven. That would be my plate and my dinner. It's good. So meanwhile, my wife and my kids are coming back. You hear the noise, the chime on the door. So hopefully you make this sandwich and share it with your friends and family. This is my crispy chicken sandwich recipe, and I hope this become one of the favorite dish in your household. Bye.